What does the future hold for transportation, housing, and technology? Get ready to explore 15 incredible inventions that are shaping tomorrow. Let's dive into the future with these groundbreaking innovations. Airspace Cabin Vision 2035. The Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 by Airbus offers a glimpse into the future of aircraft interiors. This innovative concept aims to revolutionize air travel with a strong focus on sustainability and passenger comfort. At the heart of this vision are bionic designs and lightweight materials, such as recycled polymers and bio-based fabrics. These eco-friendly materials help reduce environmental impact, making flights more sustainable. The cabin will feature interactive windows, giving passengers a more engaging view, and eco-friendly lavatories, which contribute to a greener in-flight experience. Airbus also introduces advanced materials like knitted fabrics and redesigned galleys to improve efficiency. These updates aren't just for aesthetics, they're carefully crafted to enhance passenger comfort while aligning with global sustainability goals. With the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035, Airbus is working to minimize the aircraft's carbon footprint and pave the way for an eco-conscious future in aviation. GM Segway Project PUMA Mini EV. The GM Segway Project PUMA Mini EV is a bold step into the future of urban mobility. This innovative project, developed by Segway in collaboration with General Motors, aims to change the way we move through cities. Imagine a compact, electric vehicle designed for two passengers, traveling side by side. It can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour while maintaining a zero-emission footprint, making it a sustainable choice for urban commuting. But Project PUMA isn't just about speed. It's packed with smart technology. Equipped with advanced GPS systems, the vehicle can communicate with other vehicles, helping to avoid collisions and enhance safety. Its unique two-wheel design allows it to self-balance, making it incredibly easy to navigate through crowded streets and tight spaces. Although the project has evolved since its initial concept, the spirit of Project PUMA still lives on. As cities continue to explore sustainable and efficient transportation solutions, vehicles like the PUMA represent the future of urban travel. Would you like this? Then comment in below. Quicab Falkenberg. Quicab Falkenberg is a groundbreaking concept in sustainable transportation. It's designed to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly and efficient urban mobility. Developed for the city of Falkenberg, this electric-powered cab service aims to reduce carbon emissions while offering a convenient alternative to traditional taxis. The vehicles are compact and agile, making them perfect for navigating busy city streets. They're designed for short-distance travel, providing an affordable and efficient way to get around. Quicab Falkenberg emphasizes both affordability and environmental responsibility. Its goal is to revolutionize public transportation by offering a green solution that benefits residents and the city's infrastructure. With its focus on sustainability and innovation, Quicab Falkenberg is setting a new standard for urban mobility. ContiHome. The ContiHome is a groundbreaking innovation in mobile living. Designed by Continental, it combines advanced technology with practical features, making it ideal for work, relaxation, or travel. One of its most impressive features is its adaptable, movable elements. These allow you to customize the space for different needs, providing exceptional flexibility no matter where you are. The sleek and modern design uses advanced surface materials that are both durable and stylish. Sustainability is at the heart of its construction, ensuring eco-friendliness without sacrificing quality or aesthetics. With smart home technology, the ContiHome takes convenience to the next level. You can control lighting, heating, and other essential systems with just a few taps on an app or touchscreen. This makes it simple and efficient to manage your living space. The interior and exterior designs are seamlessly harmonious. They offer both comfort and durability, ensuring the ContiHome performs well in various environments while maintaining its elegant appearance. By merging intelligent features, sustainable materials, and modern aesthetics, the ContiHome is redefining mobile living. It proves that luxury and functionality can go hand in hand without compromise. Would you like this? Then comment in below. Zempire Pro Tents Review. Zempire is one of New Zealand's leading camping gear companies, known for high-quality tents. Let's take a look at two of their top models. First, the Zempire Pro TMV2, a 4-person tent that inflates in under 2 minutes. This is perfect for campers who want to set up quickly without any hassle. Next is the Zempire Pro 3V2, which can accommodate up to 8 people. It features a smart design, including special light diffusing fabric in the sleeping area. This ensures a restful night's sleep without being disturbed by early morning sunlight. However, Zempire tents do come at a premium price. For example, the Pro 3V2 costs around $3,634. These tents are designed for serious campers who prioritize comfort, durability, and convenience. Although they may be expensive, the investment ensures a top-notch camping experience. Crisalion FlyFree. The Crisalion FlyFree is an innovative flying machine that pushes the boundaries of modern aviation. Its unique design combines 4 quad rotor units mounted on booms, all attached to a fixed wing. This setup offers exceptional control and stability. With a cruising speed of 112 miles per hour, the FlyFree covers distances efficiently. It has an impressive range of 81 miles, making it suitable for both short and medium-range journeys. The Integrity model is designed to accommodate 1 pilot and up to 5 passengers, providing ample space for small groups or personal travel. FlyFree technology has been under rigorous testing since 2019. This ensures reliability and safety in every flight. What sets it apart is its approach to flight control. Unlike traditional aircraft that rely on tilting rotors, the FlyFree uses differential thrust. This innovation eliminates the need for complex rotor tilting mechanisms, offering smooth lift and precise maneuverability. The Crisalion FlyFree represents a leap forward in aviation, delivering efficiency, innovation, and a unique flying experience. Would you like this? Then comment in below. Horton HX2. The Horton HX2 is a cutting-edge flying wing aircraft designed by Horton Aircraft. Its standout feature is its unique design, which eliminates the traditional tail and fuselage, resulting in improved aerodynamic efficiency. This streamlined shape reduces drag and enhances flight performance. Constructed from lightweight yet strong materials, the HX2 is built for high performance and long-range capabilities. One of its primary goals is to lower fuel consumption, reducing its environmental impact, making it a more sustainable choice in aviation. The aircraft comes equipped with advanced avionics and control systems to ensure smooth and stable flight. Its user-friendly operation makes it ideal not only for personal use but also for specialized missions like surveillance and research. The Horton HX2 demonstrates how innovative aerodynamics and modern materials can redefine aircraft design. Whether for private aviation or scientific exploration, this flying wing offers a glimpse into the future of efficient and high-performing flight. Fiido D3 Pro. The Fiido D3 Pro is the perfect mini electric bike for urban commuting, priced at just €399. Weighing only 17.3 kilograms, it features a durable aluminum alloy frame and can carry up to 120 kilograms, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Powered by a 250W brushless geared motor, the D3 Pro offers smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride through the city. Its 280 watt-hours battery ensures efficient travel, and it charges easily with the included 36 volts 2A charger. The bike also features a 1.47-inch LCD display, giving you essential ride metrics at a glance. When it comes to safety, mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the CST 14-inch tires offer a smooth ride. With an ergonomic design and a vacuum-fit saddle, the Fiido D3 Pro perfectly balances practicality and comfort for city dwellers looking for a convenient, eco-friendly commute. Ford F-Vision Electric Truck. A glimpse into the future. Ford's F-Vision electric truck is a bold and futuristic concept aimed at competing with heavy-duty electric trucks like Tesla and Nikola. Taking design cues from Marvel superheroes, the F-Vision stands out with its sleek front wraparound glass. When the truck operates autonomously, the glass seamlessly blends into the body, and when a human is driving, it becomes visible again. What makes the F-Vision even cooler is its interactive front end. The truck can display different logos, designs, or even messages for other drivers to see across the front of the cab. While Ford hasn't shared specifics on its technical features just yet, the F-Vision gives a clear idea of the innovative direction the company is exploring for the future of electric trucks. With this concept, Ford is not just joining the electric truck revolution but aiming to lead it with style and cutting-edge technology. Manta5 Hydrofoiler XE-1 e-bike. Imagine cycling, but on water. The Manta5 Hydrofoiler XE-1 is a groundbreaking e-bike designed to let you ride across lakes, rivers, and even the open sea. Created in New Zealand, this hydrofoil e-bike combines cycling with water sports. It lets you glide smoothly above the water's surface, even handling choppy waves with ease. With a top speed of 13 miles per hour, the hydrofoiler reaches foiling speed at just 5.5 miles per hour. This means you'll experience a stable yet thrilling ride every time. It's powered by an 882 watt-hour battery, offering up to 4 hours of ride time. Once it runs out, recharging takes only 3 hours, so you'll be back on the water in no time. Weighing just 31 kilograms, the Z1 is lightweight for such an advanced watercraft. This makes it easy to transport and set up for your next adventure. Priced at $8,990, the Manta5 Hydrofoiler XE-1 offers a unique and exciting experience for cycling enthusiasts looking to explore the water like never before. MIT Mini Cheetah. The MIT Mini Cheetah is a remarkable robot with 4 legs, capable of performing impressive feats, including backflips. Despite not needing food or water, this nimble machine can run, jump, and even play like a real animal. Weighing only 20 pounds, the Mini Cheetah is surprisingly durable. It can endure kicks, falls, and even flips without being damaged. This resilience is powered by 3 electric motors in each leg, which are easily replaceable if needed. More than just a toy, the Mini Cheetah serves as a platform for robotic research. It allows scientists to explore the potential of robotics in real-world applications. The Mini Cheetah can navigate challenging terrain, work alongside other robots, and learn new skills over time. If you're looking for a unique, entertaining, and forward-thinking companion, the Mini Cheetah is available for purchase at $4,980. OctiLock. The OctiLock is a smart biometric steering wheel lock designed to keep your vehicle safe like never before. Combining advanced security features with modern technology, it provides unmatched protection against theft. This innovative lock uses fingerprint and Bluetooth unlocking for easy, keyless access. Simply pair it with your smartphone for seamless operation. With AES-256 military-grade encryption, the OctiLock ensures your data stays private and secure. Its high-resolution 508 dpi fingerprint scanner makes unlocking quick and reliable, giving you access in seconds. The 2-arm design locks the steering wheel firmly in place, making it impossible for thieves to drive the vehicle. It also features a built-in theft alert system that's always on, ensuring your car is monitored 24/7. The OctiLock is powered by a low-energy system, so it's always ready to use when you need it. If tampered with, a 1 decibel alarm activates, drawing attention to deter potential thieves. With patented anti-theft technology, the OctiLock is your silent defender, offering car owners peace of mind and next-level security. Would you like this? Then comment in Bleo. Sierra Echo. The Sierra Echo is an all-electric, single-seat race car that pushes the boundaries of performance and technology. Designed with a driver-focused experience in mind, it combines cutting-edge innovation with heart-pounding power. Powered by Hypercraft's state-of-the-art electric propulsion system, the Sierra Echo delivers incredible performance. The base model packs a solid 150 horsepower, but for those craving more, the R-Spec variant boosts this to an astonishing 320 horsepower. With a top speed of over 100 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds, this car offers thrilling acceleration. It also features 12 inches of wheel travel and 6 inches of ground clearance, allowing it to handle any terrain with ease. Sierra Car's mission is clear: break down the barriers between professional racing and everyday enthusiasts. By offering high-performance vehicles at various price points, the Sierra Echo makes racing accessible to all. The Echo line includes models for every budget, from the affordable base variant to the exclusive Block Edition. The Block Edition includes special perks, like driver coaching and a portion of the proceeds going to the Block family's nonprofit, 43. JConcept Kawasaki. The JConcept Kawasaki is not your typical motorcycle. It's a three-wheeled beast designed to transform based on your riding style and mood. Whether you're cruising through city streets in comfort mode or channeling your inner racer in sport mode, the JConcept Kawasaki adapts to your needs. This innovative machine features two single-sided front swing arms. These tilt and steer using a lever system that gives you unmatched control and stability. The rear wheel is powered by an electric motor, providing instant torque and zero emissions. You can switch between riding positions too, from an upright, relaxed stance to a low, aggressive crouch. The JConcept Kawasaki is a glimpse into the future, where technology and design come together to deliver an eco-friendly yet thrilling ride.